So even after being a free local AI, look at the quality of the response. Did your laptop just become more powerful than OpenAI server 3 years ago? And that too without the internet. With Gemma 4, that answer is finally yes. It stands out due to its 5 capabilities. It is designed as an open-weight family that you can deploy and use for both personal and commercial use without any licensing fees. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. It can run locally on your phone and computer without the internet. Your data remains private. Tri-modal support. Gemma 4 handles text, vision, and audio natively. Massive context. It supports up to 256K tokens. You can feed it a 500-page book in just one go. Agentic power. It is purpose-built for function calling, meaning it's excellent at acting as an AI agent. Now, the 2026 release includes 4 sizes. E2B or effective 2B, which features roughly 2.3 billion effective parameters. E4B or effective 4B, that features roughly 4.5 billion effective parameters. Now both E2B and E4B are edge models, meaning they can run on your devices like mobile or computer. 26B MOE or mixture of experts. This is the clever model. It has 26 billion total parameters but only uses 4 billions at a time. That means high performance with efficient inference. 31 billion dense. It currently ranks number 3 on Arena AI leaderboard, beating out many closed source corporate models. So the easiest way to install Gemma 4 on your laptop is through LM Studio, which is a desktop-based application that allows users to download, configure, and run large language models on their computers. No coding is required, no command line interfaces. It's a UI-based application. Okay, so let's set up Gemma 4 in your laptop. So first of all, you need to go to lmstudio.ai/download, and then you can select what laptop type you have, Mac OS, Windows, Linux. According to that, you can just download LM Studio, which is completely free. So once you click on it, it will be installed in your laptop. And when you open the application, it will look something like this. First thing that you have to do is you have to go to this option, which is model search. When you click on it, there will be a pop-up window like this, and then it will show you different versions of Gemma 4. So E2B and E4B are the versions that can be installed on laptop or mobile. I'll go ahead with E4B. When you click on it, it will show you an option to download the model. But because I have already downloaded it, so that's why it is showing me use in new chat option. I'll just click on it, and then it will try to load the model, and it is successfully loaded. Then you can see the model is appearing over here. And if I download multiple models, it will show me a list of all the models downloaded. As I told you in the starting that this is free local AI, so I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi, just to prove that it still works without Wi-Fi as well. So I am going to ask it a very weird question, which is, if your couch could file a restraining order against your sitting habits, what specific evidence would it present to the judge? So now let's see. And it is showing what it is thinking right now. Now, amazing thing is that it is doing everything without having any access to the internet. So this is a true free local AI. So it started with photographic evidences, the deep impression on the couch, the napkin stain array, the crumbs and debris map, and then some emotional damages log. Very funny. And finally, the closing argument. Your Honor, I have served my purpose. I am here for comfort and repose. However, the petitioner's habit demonstrate a systematic lack of respect, a negligence so profound that it borders on physical assault. So even after being a free local AI, look at the quality of the response. It quickly understood that in what manner this question has been asked, and it responded in the same humorous way. Now I will provide this a long PDF and ask to summarize it. Click on upload file, and then I have a PDF on renewable energy. Now I'll ask it to summarize it. Thinking. So it is ready with the summary. What is renewable energy, major types of renewable resources, core benefits of adopting renewables, and finally the future outlook. Now let us take one vision example as well. I'll try to provide it an image, and then I'll ask a question about the image. So I'm going to attach this image where a sales strategy is being discussed among all the teammates. So you can take a photo of it and then upload it over here. And you saw how messy it was. So what I'm going to ask it, that use this image, create a nice structured presentation using what is discussed on the whiteboard. Let's see if it is able to do the job or not. So it is making different kind of slides, goal, scope, strategy, operations and capacity, metrics and review. Let's see what will be the final outcome. Okay, the scenario suggests an internal high-level strategy meeting. The presentation should therefore be highly professional, action-oriented, and focused on actionable next steps rather than just theory. So how well it could understood the uploaded image. So it is ready with the presentation where it has given me different slide content. Slide 1 is about title and objective, the why, and everything is coming from that messy whiteboard where it saw meeting goals, key focus areas, target metric, the foundation on the slide 2, who and what. Amazing. Now let's say one more example which is going to be the funny one. So I have one very weird image which is this one. So I'm going to upload it and then I'm going to ask it, please compile a detailed inventory list of the workshop, breaking down the specific objects, text found on them, and the perceived function or biological risk of each item in a data table. So it is very difficult to read the text on the objects in the image, even with the eyes. Let us see if this model is able to read them or not. So it is coming up with workshop inventory in a table format, where it is providing the object description, text found on the item, and perceived function or biological risk. And see, it could do all that without having any access to the internet. So that was all about Gemma 4 on the laptop. Now let us move on to set it up in the mobile. So I have my mobile with me. First of all, you need to go to App Store or Google Play, depending upon what mobile do you have. I have iPhone, so I am on my App Store. Then you have to search for Google AI Edge Gallery. This is where you will find Google Edge models. Search for it, and then it will appear over here. First you need to download it. After downloading, open this one, and then you can see different options: AI chat, ask image, audio scribe, and all. First of all, let's go to AI chat, and then it shows that for AI chat there are 5 models available, starting with Gemma 4 E2B, Gemma 4 E4B, and some Gemma 3 and Gemma 3N models. So first you have to download one of these models. I have already downloaded Gemma 4 E2B. Otherwise, it will also show you an option to download like this. After you download, it will show you try it. So let's click on try it. And then you can ask any question like you ask any standard chatbot. Now let's look at other options as well. Ask image. Again, click on try it. And then you can click on plus sign and add image from your library, or you can take a photo from your camera and ask any question about the image. Now let's move on to audio scribe. Click on try it. Here you can upload the audio or you can record audio live and then ask it to transcribe or translate. And then it has few more options. Let's try agent skills. Click on try it. And as you know, agents need tool to connect, so it requires internet connection. Now you can click on skills and it will show you the option to view, create or manage your skills. Let's try the default agents that are already given over here. So let's try query Wikipedia. So check Wikipedia about Oscars 2026, tell me who won the best picture. And then it is returning the answer that one battle after another won the best picture. And then I can ask it another question. Who won this award in 2025? Let's try another agent. Let's try a funny one this time. Text spinner. It's asking for access to camera. I'll allow it. See, now Gemma is spinning on my forehead. And then there are a few more options like prompt lab, tiny garden, mobile actions, which are experimental in nature and you can play around with them if you want. So that was all about Gemma 4. Let me know in the comments if you are impressed with it or not. And please subscribe if you would like to watch more such content. Thank you so much.